I really feel privileged, honored, and humbled. And thank you very much to all party parliamentary group and all the organizers, especially Dr. Bhamraji, for having me with this highly accomplished group. And I wish all everyone, this is the ninth Ayurveda day. And for that, as all party parliamentary group, I had an opportunity to visit physically also for celebration of Yoga Day once. And I know how passionately and committedly the group is working with the National Health NHS and all NHS and the other medical health professionals in UK and across Europe and with everyone to establish to have its benefits of this traditional knowledge to from creating practice based evidence to evidence based practices. And Ayurveda Day, as it is celebrated in on Dhanvantari Day, and this year it is on 29th October 2024, and and we are really blessed and fortunate, and I'm really happy to share. Maybe our Honorable Prime Minister also will visit to All India Institute of Ayurveda, and this year All India Institute have been chosen as a nodal agency to coordinate all the activities related to Ayurveda Day within India and across the entire globe through Ministry of Ayush. And as it is the ninth Ayurveda Day, we have initiated very novel activity as a Nava Pravartan. That is the theme is Ayurveda innovations for the global health. And I'm very happy that for this summit also integrating evidence-based um, preventive medicine into men care care system. It is how we complement and how we create a dialogue and the crosstalk between best health for the benefit of the humanity, how we can really integrate our evidence-based practices into harnessing its potential into men care system. That is how we are trying to promote our not only practice-based evidence at All India Institute has 2.8 million patients treated with the database and hospital information system, but the this year's initiative is to how we really create evidence-based practices, and this conference motto is how we integrate those already innovations, how we translate them for the benefit of the humanity, and how we strengthen the healthcare system already existing in UK, Europe, and other part of the world. And that's why it is for the global health. So the Nava Pravartan is 9 new initiatives how we take it, and we have identified 3 areas. That is Ayurveda Ahar, that is Ayurveda food with its innovative how this traditional Dadima Nanima's nuske, how we can use it for the health, providing its health benefits, even in the maintaining the health, preventing disease, and in disease condition how we really, for example, the barley, jowar ki roti, and misi roti is good in the diabetes, but we have created the documentation, nutritional value, its glycemic index, and how it is really useful in diabetes management. So this is how we can really share the success stories for the IT. That is for the this year, the ministry has initiated Know Yourself. That is Desh ki Prakruti Parikshan. Uh, this on the mission mode so that Ayurveda at every home, Ayurveda by everyone. But if we start with knowing our own selves, our own constitution as a Prakriti, and accordingly we can customize our diet, lifestyle, and the daily routine, seasonal regimen. And I think that can gel complement with any pathy in the world because it is a human being for the holistic well-being. That is a global health. So knowing yourself and just planning, customizing the diet, lifestyle. That is nothing but the Ayurveda is a gyan, that is a knowledge system of health and happiness. And we say that the journey starts from illness to wellness to happiness. So these innovative food technology for the Ayurveda, then biomedical engineering, IT-based solution. If on the mobile app you have that know yourself, that is Prakruti, and then that tells you about the diet, lifestyle. So various, like we have the ERP system we can have the patient database, ECRA, everything can be on the app, and we have the bioinformatics AI powered tool where we can leverage the AI for the synthesis of the data, mapping of the evidence, and how we really can convert for the data analytics, understanding what is the pattern of the disease, and how we can use it for the pragmatic and for also drug development, minimizing the time for the finding out the lead with the Ayurveda herbs formulations. In various like COVID, we really had this novel virus, but to fight the novel diseases, we really have our traditional wisdom. But how can we can use this technology and the science to find out the various solutions and the formulation, how we can repurpose what is in our text and the tradition and the experience, we can make it more relevant so that it becomes classical yet contemporary, and tradition becomes supported with the technology. So I wish all the best. We have organized various events, various conferences, quiz competitions like AI party. This conference has been organized as a part of Ayurveda Day celebration. In the similar way, various each and every organization and more than 150 countries are organizing like Ayur Yoga, that is Ayurveda and Yoga as a together is a for the mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. And I would like to take only 1 minute up, Bhamraji, that we are really blessed to have our first double-blind controlled clinical study. That is a gold standard for the research, creating evidence. With the London School of Hygiene, with Dr. Kindra, we have Sanjay Kindra and Poppy Mallingson, Bhamraji, and everyone together. Myself from All India Institute of Ayurveda as a PA and my team, Prashant and Dr. Rajgopal and others have also joined. So we are having this long COVID and its use of standardized quality version of ashwagandha and its use in long COVID, and it is the more than 2000 sample size is being given this ashwagandha, which is MHRA approved, and through NHS we are doing. So I appeal each and everyone that maybe we initiate more such studies so that that creates gives the confidence and creates the evidence for the safe use, and in a safe way we can use this Ayurveda, its strength of Ayurveda, and we can harness this integrate with the NHS mechanism. So, and India, Government of India, Ministry of Ayush, and All India Institute and various institutions are ready to come forward to share their technical expertise, infrastructure, and we can have the collaborative research where we also have some funding mechanism. So with that, we can initiate much more, many more studies. And for to customize the UK population, global population, we can utilize the strength of Ayush not for the only prevention, but for the treatment of NCDs, mental health, and many more diseases. So through this platform, again, I wish all the best and thank you very much for having me and All India Institute of Ayurveda. I consider this as an honor of Ayurveda, Ministry of Ayush, and All India Institute. And once again, I congratulate APPG, Bhamraji, and entire group for organizing such a timely initiative and organizing this conference. Thank you all the panelists, speaker. Pranam to everyone.